Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to add a temporary status on the Discord app for PC with the brand new update. Setting a temporary status is a great way to let your friends know what you're up to, whether you're gaming, studying, or simply stepping away for a while. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your PC. Once the app is open, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on your profile picture to bring up your status options. Next, find the status bar that appears. This is where you'll be able to create your custom status. Click on it, and you'll see several customization options. Now, you can make your status stand out by adding an emoji. Just click on the emoji icon and choose whichever one best represents your mood or activity. It's a fun way to add personality to your message. Once that's set, type in the custom status message you'd like to display. This could be something casual, like AFK for dinner or studying hard. After you've written your status, look for the Clear After menu right underneath. This is the key part of creating a temporary status. From here, you can pick how long you want the status to stay active. Options might include 30 minutes, a few hours, today only, or until you clear it yourself. Select the time frame that suits you best. When you're happy with your message and time setting, click Save. Your new temporary status will now appear next to your name, and everyone in your server or friend list will be able to see it. Once the time you've chosen ends, the status will disappear automatically, bringing your profile back to normal. And that's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can set a temporary custom status on Discord to let others know what's going on. Thanks for watching.